nararanasan ko mula nung bata pa ako hanggang sa paglaki ko bilang mangingisda, mas marami po kaming nahuhuli noon kaysa po ngayon.
Taong 2000, marami pa rin talagang isda. Yung kumpara natin sa hinuhuli ng mga tao, so maraming hinuhuli. So, kung kumpara sa ngayon, kailangan yung pangisda mo, mag-isip ka ng ibang paraan ng pangingisda para kahit paano may mahuli ka.
By season din po, ma'am, pag tag-init, mahina po yung pahulihan ng isda. Kaya kung minsan, kulang pang-ulam.
Sige lang po yung pangisda po namin. Tiis na lang po talaga kami. Ayan po yung hanap buhay namin. Pero po kung iambing po natin doon sa panahon ng malamig, iba po yung huli po namin.
Nalulungkot po ako na bakit nagiging konti na lang yung mga yamang dagat na meron tayo, which is dapat napapaunlad pa natin sila. Kasi hindi po fair para sa mga next generation po talaga yung mga nangyayari ngayon.
Oo, nababahala ka talaga kasi lalo na kung ngayon mahirap na ng isda. So paano pa sa darating pa ng mga panahon.
The project title is Prioritizing Conservation Efforts, Mapping Biodiversity Hotspots in Busuanga, Palawan, and that is funded by the Canada Fund for Local Initiatives. For this project, we look at the marine biodiversity of 6 barangays, namely Old Busuanga, Salvacion, Sagrada, Concepcion, Bugtong, and Maglalambay. What we are looking at are marine local biodiversity such as mangroves, seagrass, coral reefs, and fish. At the same time, we also look at the vulnerability assessment of these areas for climate change, because these are the areas that we want to look at, make sure we can prioritize the conservation efforts and suggest these areas for the local government of Busuanga. So one of the things that we realized during the whole scope of the project is that most of these barangays do not have any baseline assessment of their mangroves, seagrass, corals, and fish. And we found out that a lot of these communities do not understand that there are diverse species that are in their area. One of the things that we are able to contribute to the communities is that it gave them an awareness that there are new species around their area that they can protect and also that they can be part of the solution. There are endangered and threatened coral species that are found in the barangays that we surveyed. And we also resurveyed the other projects prior to this project, so the Naker site from De La Salle Shore Center, but also the PCSD surveyed sites. We resurveyed them again, but also we added new sites to survey. And I think that's the major highlight, is that we're able to look at where the diverse areas that needs to be prioritized by the local government of Busuanga. So the project benefits is that there are many issues that Busuanga has faced. We believe it really stems on the lack of awareness and the lack of IEC campaigns that can be shared among the public or that can be shared among the community members. We believe that through this project, we were able to share this to the public with how diverse our stakeholders are, and even gathering all people during this Ocean Summit. We're able to get all stakeholders together, all sectors together, to make sure that we can prioritize how important the ocean is, not just for science, but also for the communities themselves. And I think that is the most important thing about this project. It's really about awareness, about coming together, sharing this knowledge, and actually find solutions so we can solve the issues together. Through this awareness and IEC posters that we are going to give, we're able to impact a lot of stakeholders, especially the communities who are defenders of the area, who are the forefront liners of the ecosystem, of the mangroves, of the seagrass and coral reef. I believe that they can be part of this solution, and that is something that this project can benefit for the stakeholders.
Salamat dun sa Oceanos kasi sila yung naging daan para kami mismo may matutunan din kami dun sa kalagayan ng aming bakawan, ng mga bahura, saka yung mga baryaw. Kasi sa pag-survey nila, malaman nila kung paano rin mapaayos.
Gustong-gusto ko po na parte din po yung kabataan, dahil para sa akin po yung kabataan yung susunod na mamumuno dito. Kami rin po yung makikinabang, pati po yung mga tao sa hinaharap.
Sana po huwag kayong magsawang magsuporta sa mga Oceanos tulad po nito kasi po sila lang po yung nakikita naming paraan para po maproteksyonan po din ang aming mga kabuhayan po dito sa aming barangay. Yun po, at wala pa man na tulong na inyong ibinibigay, nagpapasalamat po kami na isa ang aming barangay Busuanga na inyong napili po na puntahan.
Malalaman na po namin, siyempre po sinishare nyo sa barangay, malalaman na po namin doon kung ano pa po yung mga bagay na dapat naming iwasan o mga bagay na dapat po naming gawin o ingatan.
Para sa amin, sana po maging kapaki-pakinabang po yung mga nilalabi sa amin na mga proyekto at sana po ito po ay masubaybayan, masuportahan upang ito po ay maging kapaki-pakinabang